Hey guys, how are you? We are going to get started on a geography project this week. You're going to be working on this independently, whether you're virtual or face-to-face. I'm going to kind of just explain the first couple of steps to you. This project is going to take place like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, probably into Thursday as well. And again, it won't be due until a week from today, so not obviously next Monday is when the project will be due. We're just going to do a couple steps each day so that you don't get overwhelmed. So I'm going to kind of just explain the first few steps to you now, and then tomorrow we'll post another video explaining the next couple steps. So it's called Road Tripping Through Georgia. And so ultimately what you're going to do is plan a road trip through the various regions and or physical features in our state. And you're going to pick 6 different places that you're going to want to visit. And pretend like you're going to visit there. And eventually you're going to do kind of a writing component where you're going to prepare postcards from these 6 different places. But before we get to that part, we're going to do the first 5 steps. Let me think. 5? Yes. We're going to do the first 5 steps today and into tomorrow to get us started. So here's the project. I'm just going to kind of explain it to you real quick. It's called Road Tripping Through Georgia. These are the standards, just like, what we're studying, what we're learning. So I'm just going to skip through that real quick. But basically, you're going to use all the information that you guys got last week. So the virtual field trips you can use, your 2 different note pages on the physical features and the regions you can use. You can use anything on Google if you'd like, textbooks, organizers, anything to kind of help you with this. So we're going to do today, we're going to do step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first thing you're going to do is draw an outline of the state of Georgia. So you can freehand this, you can trace it, you can pull up, let's see, this file right here and look at it and trace it from your Chromebook if you'd like to. So we're going to pull that up, or like I said, freehand it, and you're going to we'll give you a piece of white paper to do that, and you're going to draw the state of Georgia. So draw an outline of the state of Georgia, and you're also going to want to include a key kind of in the bottom corner, right or left or top or whatever, that kind of shows some illustrations that you're going to put on your map. Okay, so step 2, after you have it drawn, you're going to identify the 5 states which border Georgia. I'm not going to tell you because you should be able to find those, but there's 5 states. Spell them correctly, label where they go correctly. Step 3, you're going to label where the Atlantic Ocean is. Make sure it is specifically in the southeast corner. Make sure you put it in the right spot. Some kids put it up where South Carolina goes, and it's really just a little bit further south than that. Step 4, you're going to label your 5 geographic regions. If I were you, I would color them, shade them in either with crayon or color pencil, something very light. Don't use markers because it's too thick, it'll bleed through, and it's too dark. All right, so you're going to label your 5 geographic regions. You got Blue Ridge, Ridge and Valley, Appalachian Plateau, Piedmont, Coastal Plain. Again, spelling those correctly. And then step 5, last step for today, is that you will identify the following physical features and add those to your map as well. So you got the fall line, you got Appalachian Mountains, Okefenokee Swamp, both the Savannah and Chattahoochee River, and then of course the Barrier Islands. So you're going to label those 6 physical features as well. So today you should be able to get through steps 1 through 5 of the project, and even coloring and things like that. So that's where we are today. If you have any questions, let us know. If you finish early, like if you get all the way through step 5 today, you can easily read step 6 and try to move along and get ahead. Okay, that's all we got. Thank you.